Confused about WordPress? You're not alone. There's WordPress.com and WordPress.org, but which one is right for you? Let's break it down. First things first. Both WordPress.com and WordPress.org help you build websites, but they're actually pretty different. WordPress.com is like the quick and easy version. It's all in one. Hosting, security, backups, all taken care of. Perfect if you want something easy to use without getting into the technical stuff. WordPress.com is a hosted platform that makes website creation accessible to everyone. It's perfect for beginners who want a site without the hassle of managing servers or installations. First, head to WordPress.com, hit the Get Started button and enter your email, username, and password. Domains tab allows for transfer and buying of domain. Now the fun part, picking a theme. WordPress.com offers hundreds of beautiful, responsive themes. In WordPress, plugins are like apps for your website. They are add-ons that extend the core functionality of your site, allowing you to add new features without needing to code. With over 50,000 plugins available, they give you the flexibility to customize your website to fit your specific needs. Next up, your website name. If you're using the free plan, you'll get a WordPress subdomain like yourname.wordpress.com. But if you upgrade, you can use your custom domain. But here's the catch. If you're on the free plan, you don't have full control. Customizations, plugins, and themes are limited, and you can't fully monetize your site without upgrading. On the flip side, WordPress.org is like having the full toolbox. It's free to use, but you'll need to get your own hosting and manage your own security. It's perfect if you want full control and the ability to add any plugin or theme you want. This option is for the DIYers who want to create something truly unique. Just know you'll need to put in a little more work. Go to WordPress.org and click the Get WordPress button. Download the latest version of WordPress as a .zip file. Extract the .zip file on your local computer. Summary of key steps. 1. Choose a web hosting provider and domain name. 2. Download WordPress from WordPress.org. 3. Upload WordPress files to your hosting server. Create a MySQL database. 5. Configure the wp-config.php file to connect to your database. 6. Run the WordPress installer and set up your site's basic information. 7. Log in and start building your website. This self-hosted option offers maximum flexibility and control over your site compared to WordPress.com, but it also requires more hands-on management. There you have it. Now you know the key differences between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on building your dream website.